Hey guys, today I'll be making this adorable ghost light. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. You are going to need a clear vase, 2 Swiffer mop covers, a pack of fairy lights, and black felt. Alright, so I'm not going to be gluing this just in case I want to change the lights. So I'm just going to put this to the side while I work on the rest of the ghost. Alright guys, so I am going to hot glue around the mop. I am going to leave a little bit open so that I can place the vase inside of it. Alright guys, so now I'm just cutting out a few ovals and then I will be attaching them with hot glue. And this is how it turned out, guys. It is so stinking cute. And it was so simple to make. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, bye.